Hello and welcome back to the channel, guys. This is LiquidOcelot, and today I'm going to be showing you how to delete a YouTube channel from your Windows 10 PC. So guys, I am here on my YouTube channels. As you can see, it's dead. It doesn't have anything, and what you are going to do is follow these steps carefully. You see, here is the account name, the YouTube channel account name, and I am on the website called myaccount.google.com. Once I hit this website, I'll go to data and personalization, and just scroll down a bit. Here you will see delete a service of your account under download, delete or make a plan for your data. So I'll choose this option, delete a service or your account. Click it. Delete a Google service. I'll click this one, delete a Google service. Now they'll ask me for my password, my friends. I'll be right back. Guys, I logged in to my that page, and now I have got two options with me, YouTube and Gmail, and you see this dustbin bar. So what I'm going to do is hit this dustbin bar. Once again they are asking for the password. I'll be right back, my friends. I logged into that page again, my friends, and I see two options. I want to hide my channel. I want to permanently delete my content. So what I'll do is permanently delete the YouTube data associated with comments, your replies, your search history, content. I'll choose this option. I will make your activity private. The following will be made private. Subscribed. The following will be permanently comments, or your data will be removed. So I'll choose these ones as well, my friends. And will permanently delete all your content, videos, playlists, subscription, comment, messages, search history, and watches. The account will show. Please confirm by typing in your email liquidocelotbusiness@gmail.com. So I'll do this, my friends, and let's see if this deletes my YouTube channel altogether. I have to test it, my friends. I need that L word because yes, I have it, and I'll click delete all my content. Your content is being deleted. Your content is in the process of being permanently deleted. Usually this takes a few minutes, but can take up to a couple of days if you have a lot of content. I think my YouTube channel has been deleted, my friends. This channel does not exist. I have done it, my friends. Look at it. YouTube channel has been permanently deleted. Thanks for watching, my friends. I hope you learned this, how to delete a YouTube channel permanently. I'll be signing off. Take care.